How to find transit number in TD Bank. Finding your TD Bank account's transit number is a simple process. By following these steps, you can easily locate it. Start by log in to your TD Bank account. Then from the home screen, navigate to the My Accounts section. After that, select the specific account for which you need to find the details. Then proceed to the Summary section, which provides an overview of your account. Now look for the Direct Deposit Information option within the account summary. Then tap on View next to the Direct Deposit Information option. Here you will be able to find your account's transit number. The transit number is a crucial identifier for your bank account, often used for various banking transactions such as setting up direct deposits, electronic funds transfers, and bill payments. This number is essential for ensuring the smooth and accurate processing of financial transactions. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, you can always reach out to TD Bank's customer support for guidance. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.